guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing well. Today in the kitchen I'll be doing coconut curry crab boil. This is going to be absolutely amazing, so let's get started. Here I have some crab legs that I went ahead and washed in lemon juice, and I'll be using some corn. I have potatoes, seafood stock, some coconut milk. I also will be using some eggs as well as shrimp and some sausage. For the seasonings, I have here some complete seasoning, Old Bay, all-purpose seasoning, black pepper, and I'll be using this crawfish. It's like a seafood crab oil seasoning all in one. I also have some green seasoning here. So the first thing you want to do is prepare your green seasoning. So here I have some thyme, scallion, parsley, garlic, onion, and one scotch bonnet pepper. So what I did was added everything to a bowl, add some oil to that, and just blend with my hand blender. And that's it. Super simple. You want to blend it to a smooth consistency because we want the sauce to be nice and smooth. And we don't want to add big chunks of onion and garlic and stuff in the sauce. So that's why I'm blending all the ingredients. Now let's prepare our curry paste. Today I'll be using Chief's curry powder as well as Indie curry powder. I always mix the two. These are my favorites. So I added 1 tablespoon of each, and then we'll add some geera, which is cumin, and some garam masala. I added a teaspoon of those. Then we'll go in with some water, mix well, and set aside. So I've been preheating a skillet with some oil, and now I'll go in with that curry paste and we'll add some of our green seasoning to that. We will mix well and allow this to go for about 4 to 5 minutes, stirring consistently. You want to make sure that your curry is properly cooked by frying it, because if you don't, it will taste bitter. Curry really has a bitter taste. But because we use meats and vegetables and stuff when we usually cooking curry, it masks that taste. So you want to make sure you fry this really well before adding the liquids. Once the curry starts to separate from the oil and it looks darker in color, that's how you know it's ready. So now we'll go in with our seafood stock as well as the coconut milk. We'll also add seasoning here to flavor it up a bit. And then we'll cover and allow it to simmer on medium heat for about 15 minutes. After about 15 minutes, this is what the curry is looking like. It has reduced a bit, but it felt like it needed something more. So I added a little bit of my mushroom seasoning. It needed that umami flavor. So that's what I added. And lastly, you want to turn the heat off and then start adding a little bit of butter and allow the heat to melt that butter. And that's it. Your curry should be looking like this, nice and thickened and just perfect. Now we can move on to the last step. Next, you want to get a large pot and half fill it with some water, and then we will add some of that seasoning that was in the packet, the crab oil seasoning. That's all I'm using here. We'll add that in, and then we'll go in with our sausage. We'll add our potatoes. We'll also add our corn. We'll add our eggs in, and we will cover and allow these to cook until, the potatoes are nice and tender. You can check your eggs in about 10 minutes. It should be perfectly cooked, and you can remove the eggs because you don't want the eggs to be super hard and dry. So you want to remove the eggs in 10 minutes, and then you will add your crab in there. You want to add your crab and your shrimp last. And allow those to go for about, let's say, 3 to 4 minutes. You don't want to cook it long because we don't want to overcook the shrimp. And that's it, guys. Our coconut curry seafood boil is actually done. And now we are going to put everything together. So now you want to just drizzle that yummy coconut curry sauce all over your seafood. And that's basically it, guys. I just garnished with some fresh parsley when I was done. And yeah, this is the coconut curry seafood boil. When I tell you, it was amazing. I know if you're Caribbean, you are going to love this. I'm not too much a fan of the Cajun seafood and stuff, but when I tell you this was next level, it was bussin'. I really enjoyed it. I hope you all give the recipe a try. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up, share it, and leave a comment down below. I'll leave all my ingredients and measurements down in the description box, and I'll see you all next time. Thank you for watching and enjoy.